Hi guys, AJ here checking in one more time. We're still going through the issues of trying to figure out what the hell this check charge system is. I've done a lot of things to the car already. I've changed the alternator, I've changed the wires, I even bought a different battery charge sensor, and when I put it on it made no difference, so I put the old one back on just because it has a better fit. But last night I wasn't able to sleep and I decided to check all the fuses again. I could have sworn I checked everything in here and everything was fine, but let me show you what I found. So this is the fuse box on the driver's side, and I could have sworn I went in here and I checked every single fuse, but I did it again last night and I found something. I've got my multimeter set to a continuity check right there, and what that means is that if I find an unbroken pathway between two elements, you'll hear that sound, right? So once you have your multimeter or your voltmeter put to continuity test, you just take your two leads and you check every single one. If you get an alarm, that means that the fuse is good. Okay, so long story short, I was checking everything, came around this particular fuse right here, and no matter what I do, it does not give me a sound. It works, doesn't work. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, if you can see, this one is busted, no connection going through. So all we need to do is just get some replacements. 7.5 amp right in that spot, and we'll test it. Alright, let's just pop our fuse in and see what happens. Hopefully hopefully it fixes our little problem. Okay, it's in. Let's go start the car. Actually, before we do that, let's take a step back and let me show you what that fuse goes to. And that third spot, it says battery sensor. So it makes sense, kind of, right? If you guys remember the previous video we did on this, we changed the pigtails. The original plug on the inside was kind of burnt. So yeah, let's start it up. All right, I got a bunch of other lights that turned on after the check charge system, so please disregard those. I know I need an oil change here pretty soon, but since I'm swapping the engine, I'm not too worried about it. Let's see what's up. Okay, it has the service. It has the service. Oh, fucking check charge system came right back on. All right. God damn it. I guess that's not it. Well, that didn't fix the problem. So now I bought the correct part for it. Here's the part number. I'll also put it in the description. Okay, the negative pole battery charge sensor. It's this guy right here. Let's get it swapped up and see if that finally fixes the problem. $10mm. Alrighty, here's a moment of truth. Okay. Let's turn the car on and see what happens. Oh my goodness, I'm nervous. I'm nervous, but let's see. Come on, baby. Service. God motherfucking damn it!